Today we are going to make a simple vegetable spring roll. We need ripe mango, crab stick, thinly sliced carrot and cucumber, rice wrapper, lettuce, deep rice wrapper in a clean water to soften. Easy. Now let's wrap our ingredients. For our sauce we need mayonnaise and Japanese mayonnaise, garlic powder, vinegar. This sauce go well with our spring roll, I promise. Little mustard, that's okay, let's just scoop it. Mix it well. Comment down if you like my recipe. I wish you good luck if you click that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.